What's up guys, Albert here with another review. Today we'll be reviewing a pair of Wolverine work boots. Today we're unboxing the Wolverine Floorhand 6-inch soft toe waterproof work boot. Yeah, that's a mouthful, but these boots are great. I don't know if you guys saw the last video, but last time I bought these Timberland boots and I was really excited about them. The only problem is that they hurt quite a bit. These were terrible because here, right there specifically on both sides, which is both shoes, these things hurt. They hurt quite a bit. I laced them all the way up to the top. That's probably a no-no, but I mean, I'm an electrician and I wanted these boots to work in, but I mean, I don't see that happening. They were just way too painful. So my Amazon package just came in and I ordered a different pair of boots. I did a little bit of research before I ordered them, and the reviews were overwhelmingly positive. I even consulted with my father. These are Wolverines. My dad said that he's had pairs and pairs of Wolverines. He really enjoys them, and this will be my very first pair of Wolverines, so my dad says they're cool. We'll give them a shot. Right off the bat, you'll notice they are very, very similar to the other ones. Yes, I have a particular taste, and these look very similar to those as well. They're also waterproof. Hopefully they're as waterproof as the Timberlands. Now, the Timbs didn't come laced all the way up. They actually had a pretty open lacing. It looks like these came pre-laced, and they are laced all the way up to the top. From the looks of it, they use a very similar style of like the inner tongue, but hopefully these are more comfortable. Don't get me wrong, the Timbs were comfortable, but they were also painful right there. They had like a, I wouldn't call it a pinch point. From the feel of it, they're also about as soft as the Timberlands. They also have the, I don't know what you call it back here, just slightly different because the Timberlands are leather all the way around. These have, I think they said online that it was like a breathable fabric. I forget what it's called, but it was like supposed to be wicking material so that your feet didn't sweat on the inside, considering you're wearing a waterproof boot. Alright, let's get these on my feet. They do have quite a bit of lacing. Oh, that's actually quite easy. Once you undo the top two that used to be buttons, just a scoosh. These are the soft two. They lace them weird. They went outside in, kind of lacing. And I don't know if I like the hooks. I might prefer eyelets. But yeah, that's pretty comfortable. I ordered a 9.5 in Tim's. Ordered a 9.5 in these, and these actually are just a tiny bit bigger. I will say that the Timberlands, they were like a lot more squishy on the inside, and I guess it's more padding, or maybe it was more insulation. I don't know. I can't speak to that. But they were probably going to be a lot hotter too. So maybe they're more appropriate for colder climates. But I'm here in Texas. I think our coldest climate is going to be like in December, January, February. And even then, that's like 80 degrees. always walk around in them. Alright guys, to summarize, I really like these boots. I am very happy with these boots. I like the way they look, I like the way they feel, but most of all, I am happy with the comfort, right? Comfort is paramount for me because if I'm going to be on my feet all day, I really want to be comfortable. After about 8 hours of wearing them though, they start to hurt. I don't know if it's like the 7th hour or the 8th hour, but yeah, I mean, any shoe is gonna hurt your feet after long enough, right? 3 or 4 hours, I'm fairly comfortable in them, right? I've only had them for 3 months, and for the most part, I wear them to do electrical jobs, and then sometimes I'll wear them on the weekend if they look good with my pants. So I'm not sure if these are like rated in any kind of way. My master electrician just told me make sure that your boots have rubber soles, and these do. To wrap it up, I really like these boots. I'm very happy with them. They are comfortable, and unlike the Timberlands that I had previously, these don't hurt my ankles, right? If you guys have seen my previous reviews, I had a pair of Timberlands and they would just dig into my ankle and they were super uncomfortable. These don't do that. They're really well made boots. They came highly recommended by my dad. My master electrician said they were cool, so I'm very happy with them. Thanks for watching.